this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and today we are going to be doing a Gucci manicure, hopefully kind of on the short side. We have got some foil that I think I found on AliExpress, I'm not 100%. I have these decals from BRCNailsTipsXPieces.com. I am a brand new ambassador for her company. My code is Sheree Baby, SHEREE BABY for 10% off your total order. Check her company out. She's got all kinds of designer nail stickers. She's got baubles. She's got dangles. She's got the piercing kit. What else has she got? She's got foils and stickers and bling and all kinds of stuff. So please go check out BRCNailsTipsXPieces.com. So we're going to jump in, finish off our mani. I'm using for foil glue, iMethod foil glue. I swear by this. This is a great product. It works for me every single time. I've tried others and they just don't compare. Some really high-end name brand foil glues and they don't work. I'm not going to name any names because I ain't like that. So we're popping that in the oven for 60 seconds. We are going to be putting some Gucci stickers on here. Gucci. So I'm going to pop these up and do this while the nail is cooking in the lamp. We're just going to put these in any old order. No specific, just random. Just random. Uno más. Uno más. See how easy? Super easy. Well, our nail is done and out of the lamp. So we're going to jump over here on this nail because on the other I have where it says Gucci. So this one I really want to get Mickey Mouse on here. I really do. So, gonna line him up. Oh, I think I missed one. Shoot. Oh, shoot. This is not gonna work. I shouldn't have ripped it up. Oh, no. Oh, no. I want my Mickey. Rub. Gotta tray this. Oh no. We have a distorted Mickey. Oh my goodness. Oh. My manicure is ruined. Ruined, I say. I got no quick fix for this. I don't delete my oops and blunders, as you know. I leave them all in with all my oopses and shoots and yeah. Oy vey. What's the girl to do? Edit it out real quick, paint another nail white, cure it. We're gonna top coat this nail and add some bling. Hopefully this nail turns out right, because Mickey is obliviated. Oh, poor Mickey. It makes me feel really bad for Mickey. Really bad. There we go. check out my gems here. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing. So we are going to top coat the rest of the nails. I can't get over Mickey. I feel so horrible. I wouldn't have ripped it up, but I didn't have it centered right. Did not have poor Mickey centered right. Definitely did not, as you can see. That's the first time around, and should not have ripped them up. This now Mickey looks like he's, I don't know what. He looks distorted. He's got a couple faces. So when you're doing your top coat, fan out your brush as much as you can. That way you get more area covered. Let's thin this clear out here. I got a lot on this now. A whole lot. Think we got a gem moving over here. Gem out of place, gem out of place. Pulling out your brush. The rest of the nails I think turned out okay. Just poor Mickey. So we're gonna pop my Nanny in the lamp to give this a full cure. And again, please go check out BRC Nails tipsxpieces.com. She's got so many good items on there for great prices. With my code, you get 10% off your total bill, and who doesn't want to save some coin? I know I do. I love shopping there. I have a whole slew of things that I've added to my nail arsenal. So, yeah. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the bell and you'll get notified of all future videos, all uploads, all giveaways, anything that may be important. So yeah. Please subscribe, please leave a comment down below. Let me know that you came through, even if you're a repeat viewer. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. I greatly appreciate your presence. Just leave me a comment, let me know that you were here, or else I don't know that you were here. Let's get to know each other a little bit. I thank you for subscribing. Okay, our nails are done. Here's my designer manicure with Mickey Mouse for today. Except Mickey looks like he's kind of got two bodies, and he's kind of doubled. He's definitely kind of doubled. So, I'm sorry. I feel real bad about that one. Really bad. But this is our Gucci Mickey Mouse manicure for today. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Please don't criticize Mickey. He's having a hard day. As always, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.